Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about the Shadow Systems CR920, and this was just going to be a review, but then mine came broken, and Shadow Systems took 4 months to give me my gun back, so we didn't get the review out in time. So we're actually going to be torture testing this. Now that it came back, it actually works really good, and we're going to see how well it will. Thomas! Hey. Hey, Thomas. I want you to break that.
Okay. So today we're going to be doing a video on a Warpoint CR920. So they took like 3 months to fix this. Joe's gun came in shooting to the left because you could see that the barrel was physically canted that way. But yeah, it took them 3 months essentially just to do this. And then three months. So we're just going to end up doing a torture test video on this instead. Joe, this is a really nice gun. This is a Warpoint CR920. Are you sure you want me to trash it?
Well, I mean, it's my everyday carry, so I guess we don't have to make this video if you don't want to break it.
No, I want to absolutely destroy this thing. Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be great. It'll be fine. We don't really have a whole lot of mud right now because it's been dry for the past couple of months, and we just had a rainstorm and it really didn't hydrate everything. So we're just gonna pour some water over this just to really enhance that flavor here. Okay. Now I'm going to do this Gaston Glock style. There we go. Already. This thing's not chambering. Well, chambered. All right. That's one. And light strike.
One test in. Light strike.
Yeah.
Cool. You want to, let's show the gun.
Let me get this, try to get this to go. There we go.
See if you can get it to cycle.
Okay.
That's working.
Well, it still works. I was writing the mag release. So we're not going to be doing any unrealistic tests. You know, we're going to try to keep it real. You know, try to really have the, well, yeah. I'd say that worked. So far we've done mud and salsa, and where there's salsa, there's chips. Pretty reliable so far.
I'm kind of impressed that it's actually working, dude.
Yeah, honestly, same. This thing is absolutely horrendous. I'm just covered in chip and salsa goo. It's great. Joe, what are you doing? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. This is Joe's $1,200 EDC, and we're just destroying it because we really want the views. Sorry, hold on.
What is it, a failure to feed?
Yeah, it like kind of shoved itself into the chamber. There we go. All right. Oh, I can see nothing out of the sight picture. Did
it still work?
Yeah, I'd say so. So, closing remarks. Oh wow, that does not clean off well. Yeah, this is, I mean, we were gonna do a normal review on this, but Shadow Systems took 3 months to replace the slide and it still shoots to the left. But considering that it has passed nearly all of our tests and the Hollow Sun still works incredibly, I would not hesitate to carry this. I'm honestly glad Joe is carrying this, because when he goes to your mom's house and he's about to, she's, whatever she wants to identify as, has absolutely ready to ravish him, he will have something to protect him with, which is honestly all I can really ask, because I really do care about the guy. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Move my body back and forth.